TxStampin Sharon, bringing you a video about my August 2018 online card class. Now, my card class is a lot of fun for a lot of people. I save you money because you don't have to buy all the cardstock that I use or the designer series paper. What I do is I send you pre-cut cardstock with the designer series paper. All the layers are cut. All you have to do is stamp and assemble. Now, what do you have to do to get this? You can place an order on my website before August the 10th, 2018, and the order needs to be at least $40. The bundle that I'm using is called Tropical Chic. There are several choices for you, and I will have all that information in the description below. If you like this idea of an online card class, I welcome you to join us. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Those thumbs up really make me happy. So thank you guys. The August online card class is using the bundle called Tropical Chic, and I love these framelits. They're so fun. These framelits, you can actually either cut out just the outline of the leaf after you have stamped it, so like that, well, like that, or you can actually do a little bit more detail, and I will show you that in the class, how I created some of these cards. So let's look at the cards. You may have seen some of these cards on a blog or a past YouTube video. I will be sending you all the layers, all the pieces that you need to cut out and do this card. Super pretty. This one is super easy. Again, I think I have shared this one on social media. Once I started sharing this passion that I have for this Tropical Chic, people said, is that going to be one of your classes? Now, this is a really fun fold. Let me show you. It opens up. So a little bit different. And this is the fourth card. Again, I send you everything you need to create these cards. You will receive 2 kits for every card. So you're going to get 8 card kits because so many of you have said, I love the card and I don't want to send it. I want to keep it. So got you covered. I will send you 8 card kits for free, including the envelopes. You'll receive a PDF instruction sheet how to make all these cards. Plus, I have some bonus project sheets for you. So in the end, if you purchase this bundle to get these card kits, you're gonna get like 15 project sheet ideas using this bundle. So there you go. If you have any questions, let me know. Like I said, if you have any questions about my online card class, I'll be more than happy to answer those for you. I do ship you the card kits for free, so you don't have to pay for the priority shipping that I use. And you, like I said, you just get to stamp and assemble. So you're gonna need that bundle if you wanna make the cards just like mine. So thank you for taking the time out of your day to spend it with me.